While we have had reasonable success in controlling the number of murders leading up to and during the Christmas season, the threat levels for ongoing gang conflicts, contract killings, organized robberies of businesses, hijacking of goods in transit, and various confidence scams that lead ultimately to the loss of life, spreading of fear, and depriving entire communities of their freedom to pursue their business and happiness. That threat level remains elevated and extensive in scale. As I indicated upon the declaration of the last state of public emergency, we are in the festive season, and this requires the deployment of even greater resources.
Since the beginning of this year, the country has recorded a daily average of 4 murders. This peaked in September, where the daily average reached nearly 5 murders. September and October recorded increases as high as 8% when compared to 2021. Over the past 2 months, we have managed to reduce the daily murder average to 2.5 and have reduced the gap between last year and this year from 8% above in early October to 1.5% currently.
Through our Maritime Air and Cyber Command, the active deployment of the JDF Coast Guard and the JDF Air Wing assets have also increased. In fact, this increase resulted in the interception of illegal fishing vessels, or one illegal fishing vessel with 131 Hondurans, and it is known that these fishing vessels also traffic weapons and ammunition into our spaces. We also just 2 days ago intercepted over 1,000 pounds of cocaine recovered through the coordinated efforts of our Maritime Air and Cyber Command.
The states of public emergency protect law-abiding citizens from marauding criminals. Protecting the lives of Jamaicans is the ultimate responsibility of the executive, and we will continue to do what is necessary to protect the lives of our citizens. The Charter of Fundamental Rights was designed by the government then to prevent abuse, not to prevent SOE. In fact, the regulations have been reconfigured to ensure that law-abiding citizens are protected and the lawless are restricted.